Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Virgo. Virgo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. So Virgo, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings, okay? So we have Queen of Cups and Ace of Wands. Virgo, this is your current energy, and Ace of Wands is your partner's current energy. Okay, so with this card, Queen of Cups, it seems like you are being somebody who is going through a lot of emotions at this point of time in life. Okay, you are feeling very emotional. Okay, and you do not want to think about anything. You do not want to talk about anything. You are just completely very overwhelmed about some situations in your life. Okay, and the way you have hold this cup in your hand, it seems like that you are being excuse me, you are being somebody who is very protective about your cup. Okay, it means that you are very protective towards your family, towards your friends, towards your loved ones. Okay, and this white dress is indicating that you are somebody who is very calm. Okay, you have a very peaceful mind at this time. All your focus is towards this cup. You just want to save this cup. It seems like you are saving a relationship, saving somebody, saving a person, saving a family member or something like that. Okay, oh sorry. So now we have Ace of Wands. This is your partner's current energy, Virgo. With this card, it seems like your person is about to start something new. Okay, they are going to take some action towards something. Okay, divine has given them the opportunity to take some action towards you, towards their life, towards their career, finances, I don't know, but yes, divine has given them this opportunity to take a stand towards something. Okay, to start something new, to take action towards something. Okay, so it seems like they are definitely going to take some action towards you, towards their career, finances, jobs or goals or something like that. All right, now let's see what is the mutual energy. What's the mutual energy? The Miser. Virgo, it seems like it's you. Okay, you have these treasure or these these thing, whatever you have hold in your hand, you are feeling that nobody can snatch it from you. Okay, you do not want to take it away from you at any cost. Okay, and that's why you have built up this wall around you. Okay, I told you in the beginning that it's you who is being very protective towards something, or towards a particular relationship, towards your friends, towards your family. Okay, now you cherish them, you love them like a treasure. Okay, for you they are your life. Okay, and you do not want to take them away from you at any cost. Okay, so you are being very protective about it, and hence you have created such walls around you that hey, nobody can enter in my territory. I cannot allow anyone at this point of time in my life to enter or to snatch this precious thing from me. All right, now Virgo, I'm going to pull 3 cards for you to see what your person is thinking about you, what action they are taking towards you right now, and what action they'll be taking for you in future. Okay, flowering, possibilities. Oh my god. Okay, with this card flowering, your person sees you, Virgo, that you are somebody who has lot of love and compassion to give and spread within your family, within your loved ones, or within this world. Okay, you have very calm aura, you have very positive aura. Okay, this is your aura, which is very positive. Okay, and all these ornament of yours are your positive thoughts. Okay, your love, your emotion, which you would like to, or which you share with your family, with your loved ones. Okay, you have very peaceful mind at this point of time. You are not in any kind of hustle bustle. You are completely focused to nurturing your loved ones, giving your whole to your loved ones, your family, your parents, your colleagues, your friends. All right, at this point of time your person is, just doing some reiki or some visits to you. Okay, they must not be taking a solid action or direct action towards you, but yes, they know that there is a lot of possibilities if they come to you and they talk to you about their feelings about this relationship. Okay, at this point of time, see, sun is rising, and this, they are somebody who is very strong headed person. Okay, they are the eagle, they know what they want. Okay, so they are just taking quick look from you or about your life from a distance. They must not be talking to you, they must not be approaching you right now, but from a distance they are observing you. They are analyzing your behavior with your loved ones. Okay, and this means that they know that there are some possibilities for them to grow in life. Okay, and yes, the future is saying patience. They'll be very very patient towards you. Okay, and something new is about to start in your life, some new opportunities are about to take birth. This pregnant lady is saying that some new opportunities are arriving. Okay, a new family member is about to enter in your life. Okay, in terms of your, with regards to your partner. Okay, perhaps this person is approaching you and your family is definitely going to say or going to give a go ahead to them, so they are going to be a part of your family in future. So whatever the case it is, you need to be patient. And if you do not know what this person is, or you must not be aware that this person is exist in this world or not, but at whatever the case it is, it seems like angels or universe is asking them to be patient. Okay, whatever they want is definitely going to take shape, but they need to give it or give this relationship or you enough time to to be out from that aura, or to be out from a particular energy. But yes, definitely something is about to start in your life, Virgo. Okay, now let's see what angels are asking you to do right now. What angels are asking you to do. You are ready. Oh my god, it seems like your person, it is a sign for your person. It's not, this message is not for you, this message is for your person, that they are ready to take action towards you, because I told you that in the beginning divine is offering them something, a new opportunity. All right, so Virgo, we have water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio in this reading with this Queen of Cups. We have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Ace of Wands and possibilities. We have earth sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn in this reading with this flowering card, patience card and the miser card. All right, so Virgo, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.